In today's video, we're going to be looking at personalizing our Windows 10. We can do this by going to the settings, which we can quickly search after pressing the Windows key, and then by going to our personalization section. From here, we can choose our background, whether we want a picture saved to our hard drive or one of the beautiful presets Windows 10 have. We can have a slideshow of multiple pictures and also a solid color if we so wish. And we can choose how much of the screen our image fills. We can stretch it, although my image is formatted for my desktop, so that won't happen. Next, we can change our accent colors on our Windows 10 device. I personally like the green colors as they remind me of the Xbox. However, there's a whole slew of custom colors you can create and pick from, and they will change the dialog boxes and all the options you've got whilst on the system. You can also make it choose a color based on what your background is. So if you say have a predominantly green photo, it'll pick something that complements it. As you can see with my Kazzitips background, it suggests this yellow color. Our wallpaper isn't the only thing we can change. We can change our lock screen. As you can see, I have a slideshow of the default photos, but we can make that whatever we like. Windows Spotlight will set it to a suggested photo from Bing that day as well. Our themes are where we can really save our own customization of Windows. So you see most of my noises and sounds are default, but if I wanted to save all of these presets, I can do, and I can change them to different ones as well. Some programs may install one. For example, my Dell software on my computer has got its own theme if I so wish. Fonts are also huge. You can change them, and it's going to change every font on your system that's running on Windows 10. And even default ones in some word processing applications. We can change our start, and our start menu is here. It shows you how much things you've got going on. And we can also change our taskbar. As you can see, I have mine to automatically hide, so I can use most of my screen whenever I'm making a video or browsing the web. I hope this video has helped. Thanks for watching. Please visit kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365, and many more services.